Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tech tutorial. Today, we're diving into the topic that's got a lot of Snapchat users curious: how to see other people's best friends list on Snapchat in 2025. If you're here, you're probably wondering if it's possible to peek at someone else's best friends, maybe out of curiosity or just for fun. But before we jump in, let's get one thing straight. Snapchat is all about privacy, and that's a good thing. So, stick around as we break this down step by step. First off, what even is a best friends list on Snapchat? It's that exclusive group of people you interact with the most, your top contacts based on snaps and chats. Snapchat uses an emoji, like a yellow heart, to show these connections, but here's the catch. Your best friends list is private by default. That means no one can directly view yours, and you can't view anyone else's without their permission. Now, you might be thinking, is there a sneaky way around this? In 2025, Snapchat has tightened its privacy features even more, especially with updates to their algorithm and new safety tools. Officially, there's no built-in feature that lets you see another person's best friends list. Trying to hack or use third-party apps is not only against Snapchat's terms of service but could get your account banned and might even pose security risks like exposing your own data. Instead, let's focus on what you can do ethically. If you're friends with someone, you might notice mutual interactions or shared stories that hint at their close contacts, but that's as far as it goes. To build your own network, concentrate on sending snaps and chatting regularly. That's how you earn those best friends emojis. Remember, respecting privacy keeps the app fun and safe for everyone. In summary, while you can't directly see other people's best friends lists, understanding Snapchat's features can help you make the most of your own experience. If you have any questions or want more tips, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.